थैंक यू अमित एंड भावना, विश यू ऑल अ वेरी फिट एंड अ हेल्दी मॉर्निंग। आज मैं आ गई हूँ हौस खास के इस पार्क में, जो कि बहुत सुंदर तरीके से बनाया गया है। यहाँ पे लोग वॉकिंग कर रहे हैं, रनिंग कर रहे हैं, और आज के सेगमेंट में हम इन्हीं लोगों से बात करेंगे, जानेंगे कि वॉकिंग रनिंग करके कैसे हम खुद को फिट रख सकते हैं।
I started running when I turned 40. Actually, I am diabetic. So this is why, because of health reasons, I wanted to keep fit and I wanted to keep, healthy and keep my sugar levels low. So that's how I started exercising, and I just fell in love with running, and now it's become my lifestyle. So exercise is very important. For the longest time, I mean, I regulated my sugars by exercising only and controlling diet.
Workout is something which is quite related to what you do every day, right? It's just like eating food. So it's giving health back to your body. I've been an obese guy, so I've been 120 kgs, lost my weight, came down to 75. Apart from that, I'm also a cancer survivor, so survived cancer. Running has brought me back on feet. So what I say is sports, any kind of, the movement is important. It's just the way how you give it back to your body to keep it in shape, and you add more life to yourself. Just extend yourself. Medicines and treatments might recover you, but mentally you become broken. I think sports is something that brings you back on feet. And I would say for any disease, any kind of obesity, anything, I think everyone should practice sports. And it's an integral part of our life. The sooner we pick it, the better.
I had a issue of hypertension, and then that led to, after 3 years, I had a heart attack. So I had to go through angioplasty, and then doctor asked me कि आपको exercise करना पड़ेगा, you have to get healthy and look at your diet. तो उसके बाद धीरे धीरे I started walking. थोड़े दिनों के बाद walking changed into running, and then gradually you fell in love with the process, and then you couldn't look back.
रनिंग स्टैमिना बढ़ाने में बहुत मदद करता है, and it not only helps you physically, I feel it helps you mentally also. So I go through a lot of stress because I'm an entrepreneur. I generally prefer to run alone also sometimes, क्योंकि जब मैं अकेले भाग रहा होता हूँ तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि after a point of time I am into a meditative state, and that actually helps me a lot with a lot of other things. It calms me down, it brings me patience.
खाना पीना इतना ज़रूरी नहीं है जितना एक्सरसाइज करना है। एंड इफ़ यू डोंट एक्सरसाइज इन द मॉर्निंग, यू आर मिसिंग समथिंग। आपको ये आपके लिए इट इज़ नॉट ओनली फॉर द फिजिकल, इट इज़ मेंटल आल्सो, एंड इट गिव्स सो मच ऑफ वेल बीइंग। So fitness is very important, the exercise is very important, but on 25th we should not forget it is the day of voting, and everyone should cast their vote.
So my schedule for 25th looks like I'm going for a run at 5:30 a.m. and then at 7 a.m. I'm going to vote. Kindly do your bit and go vote. Thank you.
25 मई को हमारे यहाँ मतदान है। हम चाहते हैं कि फिटनेस के साथ साथ अपने वोटिंग का भी इस्तेमाल करें।
Voting is as important as doing your exercises and eating your meals. So please ensure you get up in the morning, go and cast your vote, and take your family members as well. Everybody who's eligible should go ahead and vote. Thank you.
तो जैसा कि आपने देखा सुना आज यहाँ लोगों को इस पार्क में कि जैसे वो वॉकिंग करके, रनिंग करके खुद को फिट कर रहे हैं। एंड लास्टली आई वांट टू रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन कि आप कमिंग 25th को जाइए और अपना मतदान ज़रूर देकर आइए।